Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to edit your Bitmoji on Snapchat. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Snapchat is continuously growing social media platform. It is popular amongst people of all age groups across the world. Snapchat was built on private, person-to-person photo sharing, but you can now use it for a variety of purposes, including sending videos, live video chatting, messaging, creating Bitmoji avatars, and sharing a chronological story that it broadcasts to all your followers. And maybe now you want to change your Bitmoji or you want to edit your Bitmoji or avatar. How to do it? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Snapchat. Now you can tap on your Bitmoji on the up left corner on here. As you can see, here's your Bitmoji. And if you want to change your Bitmoji, maybe you want to change the clothes, you can tap on the here. Here's where you can change your clothes. And if you want to change like your appearance, maybe your makeup or your hairstyle, you can choose on here, on the bottom right here, on the icon. You can update your Bitmoji. You can change your hairstyle, change your hair color. You can change it more accessories. So here's where you can edit your Bitmoji as you want. So simple, right? And if you finish, you can just tap on the up right corner here to save. So here's your new Bitmoji. So that is how to change or edit your Bitmoji on Snapchat. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!